Good morning, everyone. So, in the previous lecture, in lecture 4, we have learned about the different analytical methods, their classification on the basis of classical methods and instrumental methods. In classical methods, we have done some of the methods basically of separations like precipitation, and in that I have shown you a video how the filter papers you can use and what are the different ways to use a different type of filter papers in funnel for filtering your solution. In the instrumental methods, we have discussed about the different type of analytical spectroscopies, chromatographies, and the volumetric analysis. In the last lectures, we have also started with some kind of solutions. How can we classify between the standard solution, the stock solution, and how can we do the dilutions on the basis of the numericals. So, in this lecture also, we are going to discuss about the different types of classical and instrumental methods, in which we are going to learn about the advanced instrumental methods for the detection of the analyte or the analyzing the samples qualitatively and quantitatively. Then we will discuss about preparing standard solutions. As we have done during our volumetric analysis, we have prepared zero point 0.1 normal HCl and zero point 0.1 normal NaOH, and then we did the acid base titration. Similarly, here also we will learn how we can make that standard solution, because initially the lab members has prepared that solution for you, but now this time you are going to learn how to prepare the standard solution and how the solutions can be standardized using a primary standards which are available in the laboratory. At the end of this lectures, we will discuss about the different instrumental analytical techniques, in which we are going to learn about the chromatographic techniques, thermal analysis method, surface extractions, and the different type of spectroscopy, in which the UV, IR you are having in your syllabus. We will discuss about that. And at the end of this first content, that is the overview of the analytical techniques, we will end up with applications of these techniques in analyzing the different type of samples in different type of engineering, and how can we interpret the results and what kind of informative informations we can get. So in this fifth lectures, we are going to learn about all these topics. So see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.